Skipping warm-ups. The injury risk you don't see call. Muscles are crying for help and you don't want to hear them scream. Increases risk of pulled muscles, makes your body stiff, not ready, poor blood circulation, limits energy. Joints remain locked and tight, medley you're not focused yet, limits range of motion in lifts, delays heart rate activation, makes strength training feel harder. Can lead to poor posture during sets, reduces muscle oxygen flow, affects balance and coordination, less calorie burning early sets, body can't fire muscles properly. 5 minutes of dynamic movement fixes it using bad form. Fast track to pain, not progress. Hook. Bad form builds bad habits and bad habits build injuries. Promotes muscle imbalances, engages the wrong muscle groups, hurts your joints over time, makes you lift with momentum, not strength. Looks cool until your back gives out, doesn't allow full muscle activation, prevents full range of motion, encourages ego lifting, increases risk of chronic injuries, harder to unlearn than learn right, kills on-term progress. Use mirrors or record yourself, focus on slow, controlled movement, learn the basics before advancing overtraining. More isn't better, it's just more. Hook. Pushing too hard doesn't build your body, it breaks it. Your body grows while resting too much, leads to burnout, soreness does not equal results, increases risk of injury, weakens the immune system. Constant fatigue or mood swings messes with your sleep, can lead to hormone imbalances, performance gets worse, not better, no time for muscles repair, your motivation drops fast. Mix in rest days every week, follow a split routine, not full body daily, listen to your body signals, neglecting strength training. Cardio alone can sculpt you. Hook. Running helps you lose weight, but strength training shapes your body. Strength builds lean muscle, increases your resting metabolism, improves posture, strengthens bones and joints, helps with daily movements. Cardio alone can cause muscle loss, burns calories on after workout ends, boosts confidence, increases insulin sensitivity, adds definition to your physique, enhances athletic performance, prevents age-related muscle decline, adds structure to your routine. Dumbbells or resistance bands are enough, ignoring nutrition. Fuel matters more than you think. Hook. Your workouts mean nothing if your meals are working against you. Muscles need protein to grow, skipping meals equals poor recovery, junk food slows your progress. Hydration supports all functions, sugar spikes kill energy mid-set, eat before and after training. Protein plus complex carbs equals est combo. Sleep and food are your #1 recovery tools. Balanced macros equals better workouts. Supplements don't replace real food, undereating kills metabolism, track calories. If needed, plan meals around your routine, you can't out-train a bad diet. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.